want tased?
Get on your stomach.
I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you.
On October 8th, 2024 officers responded to a trespassing complaint of a woman breaking into an apartment while the owner wasn't home.
I'm sure he's going to have a couple questions for you.
Yeah. What's up?
There's a girl up in there that broke in when I was at work. She came through that window. See the screen's up in the window.
I see that.
I'm assuming she came into there.
Does she have a key?
No.
So is the door locked?
Well, here's the situation. The door jamb here is messed up. We tried to fix it, so this door may not shut latch.
Right.
This door normally don't have a problem unless maybe I shut it and went too hard. It didn't latch.
Yeah, because it looks like that's probably where she came in. But if she's,
And then,
has she been in there before?
Yep.
Has she ever lived here?
No.
What happened with her the last time that she was in here?
She wanted to use the phone, and I let her use the phone, and then she wanted to pee. Let her go to the bathroom. And then I said, you gotta go. So she left. And after she begged, can I stay? And she said, oh, the last time she was here, she said, there's somebody trying to shoot me. So, okay, paranoid schizophrenic. Who's trying to shoot you?
Mm-hmm.
And keep this shit up. Somebody's gonna shoot you. And so she left. And then she'll walk up and down here, back and forth, down the corner, back up to the bank. Back to the corner. Now the bank called the police on her once for being in the parking lot.
Well, I know we just dealt with her 2 days ago for being asleep down here on the porch. So the insurance place, or used to be the insurance place.
Yeah.
So she's not ever lived here.
No.
You did not give her permission to be in here. If she got in here, she's broken in, right?
Yep.
Okay. Do we have permission to go in?
Yeah.
The officers then enter through the window the suspect had used to get in. After a brief search of the apartment, they find the suspect hiding in the corner of a closet with a cigarette in hand.
What's that? No, that's all messed up. It's in here somewhere. Get up. Stand up now. Get up. I can see you sitting there crouched out. Get up.
Jamie, stand up and come out.
Stand up. Right now. Get up here.
What'd I do? He said I could stay the night.
Get out here.
Listen, no.
Keep your hands where I could see them. Put your hands up. Put them out here where I could see them.
Steve said I could stay the night.
I don't care.
The problem is we announced ourselves multiple times.
Put the cigarette on. Put the cigarette out.
I fell asleep.
Put the cigarette out.
Where?
On the floor.
Steve said I could stay the night.
Put it on the floor, Jamie, now.
Steve said I could stay the night. Where is he?
Get up here. You got her.
No, Steve said I could.
Come
stay.
here, Jamie.
No, Steve said I
Turn
could stay.
around.
Steve said I could stay the night. Please talk to Steve,
Put your
please.
hands behind your back.
No, please talk to
Put your hands behind your back.
No, Steve said I could stay the night. No.
Put your hands about.
Okay, wait, let me talk.
Turn around. You're under arrest
Let me
for
talk.
burglary.
No.
Stop resisting.
I did. Steve said I could be here.
Down ground. Get her
No,
on the ground.
Steve said I could be here.
Get down on the ground.
Steve said I could be here. Steve, stop, Steve.
Stop resisting.
Lay on your stomach.
Steve said I could be
Get
here.
on your stomach now, Jamie.
Steve said.
Jamie, take it.
Do you want
Get
tased?
on your stomach.
No.
Do you want
Get
tased?
on your stomach now,
Do you
Jamie.
want tased?
Go. Get on your stomach, or you're gonna be tased.
Let me have it. I will.
No.
I will. Listen.
Get on your stomach, Jamie.
Okay.
Got her.
Wait. You
Stop
guys, wait.
resisting.
Wait. Listen, Steve said I could.
Jamie, get on your stomach now.
Okay, let me put my pants on.
No, get on your stomach
Let me
now.
put my pants on. No, wait. Steve said I could be here. Wait.
I got one hanky for.
Okay.
Put your hand behind your back.
Please get off.
Put your hand behind your back.
1 second.
Put your hand behind your back. There is no way to second.
Wait.
Put your other hand
Steve said I could
behind
be
your
here.
back.
Steve said I could be here.
Jamie,
Well, I can't
give
talk
us
to
your
him
hand.
right now because you're not listening.
Steve said I could be here.
Put your hand behind your
Jamie,
back.
give us your hand,
Hold on a second.
please.
Hold on.
Wait,
Listen. Do you want me to go talk to Steve about it?
Yes, please.
Then you need to put your hand behind your back,
You need to get up.
so I can go talk to him.
Please come here.
I can't. Put your hand behind your back.
Behind your back and we'll figure everything
Put your hand behind your back, and I can go talk to him.
Okay, let me up.
No.
Let me up. Stop, bro.
Give us your hand.
He let me in. He let me in. He let me in. He let me in. He let me in.
Keep him rolling this way, mommy. Listen.
Listen, move my hair, please.
No, you're going to
Steve.
listen to me.
Steve, let me in.
Well, I
Steve,
can't go
let me
talk to
in.
him about that if you don't put your hand behind your back.
Okay, get off of me, I will.
No.
No, that's not the way it works.
Give us your hand now, Jamie.
I got her hand.
I'm just trying to keep it so I can keep trying to roll her back.
Listen.
Now listen.
Yes.
Listen to me.
What? I was
Listen
scared.
to me.
Listen, somebody told me if I come outside, he was going to shoot me in the head.
But you know what? We're on story number 4. Now this is what I'm asking you to do.
What?
Listen. I advise have you continue. We have one resisting.
Wait, no, I'm not. Well,
Give us your hand,
a
then,
little
Jamie.
bit, a little bit. What do I
Jamie,
need to do?
lay on your stomach and give us your hand.
Do you hear me?
Let me stand
Lay
up.
on your
Listen.
stomach and give us your hand.
Let me
It's
up.
that simple.
Do
2
you-
steps. Lay on your stomach, give us your
They
hand.
locked me inside. They told
Listen.
me I could
Lay
be
on
here.
your stomach.
I'm
and give us
trying
your
not
hand.
to tase you.
Okay.
Do you want tased?
No.
Grab me
Then
the couch.
I'm trying to help you.
Stop, you're hurting.
Okay,
Well-
so lay on your stomach and give us your hand. It's that simple.
It's easy.
Just lay on your stomach
Just
now.
let me stand up and we can
No.
talk.
No.
Please,
we're
Lay
not-
on
I
your
need-
stomach.
I need to get up.
After you get your handcuffed, we'll stand you up.
I don't want to go to jail. At least Steve let
Well,
me
I
in.
can't.
on your
This is
stomach.
not certainly helping you by resisting.
Steve let me in here.
Okay, well, I can't talk to him about that because you're not helping.
Because you're hurting.
Well,
Jamie, lay
because
on
you're
your
not
stomach
listening.
and give us your hand.
Put your hand.
Lay on your stomach and give us your hand.
Put this hand behind
It's
your back.
that simple.
Wait.
Lay on. It's no weight, nothing else. Lay on your stomach and give us your hand.
Wait.
No.
Yes.
Again, lay on your stomach and give us your hand, and we're gonna force you to do it.
Wait. Wait. I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting.
Well, you are.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Jamie,
Wait.
relax.
I can't get that second hand.
Wait, officer. Officer, please wait. Listen, Steve.
Jamie, we're done.
Steve,
Give
let
us
me
your
in here.
hand.
Steve, or Jamie.
No,
relax.
Steve let me in. You can't let
have
them do
it
this
right
to
here.
me.
Okay.
Please, Reva, don't let them do this to
What
me.
do you need?
They said I could
want me
stay
to
the night,
help?
officer. Officer, they said I could stay the
Yeah,
night.
can you get that?
They said I could stay the night.
Okay.
They said I could stay the night. They said I could stay
Got
the
your-
night. They said I could stay the night.
Stop resisting,
They
Jamie.
said I could stay the night. They said
We'll
I
have to
could stay
readjust
the
it because
night.
of the.
Yeah. Hold on. That's
They said
right. At
I
least
could
we
stay
got
the
it.
night. Oh, you know me. Listen. Yes, you do. Steve said I could stay here. You let me in.
Okay. Now, remember we asked you
You can't put me in jail for what he did. You can't.
You have to stand up.
You know what I can put you in jail for?
What?
Resisting arrest.
I wasn't trying to.
I told you to stop
Only
resisting.
because
I told you you were under
I
arrest.
shouldn't be under arrest, but I'm allowed in here. I did nothing to
Jamie,
break
we
the law.
came in and told you to announce yourself multiple times, and you ignored our commands.
Well, I was
We're
sleeping.
done.
I was
Stop.
sleeping. Officer, you know me. I can't get arrested if they let me in here.
Too late.
We are walking. Walk.
They let me
Walk,
in here.
walk.
They let me in here.
Walk. You're not making. You're making it worse.
They let me in here.
Hey, hold on a second. Hold on. Jamie,
Can I talk to him, please? Yeah.
Tried to.
listen. You need to calm down. Hold on. Take a deep breath. Everyone needs to calm down.
Okay.
What's going to happen is already going to happen. Okay.
No, see.
So listen. The more you struggle and fight, the more charges you're going to get, and the longer you're going to be in jail.
I shouldn't have to go to jail. I
Okay.
didn't do anything.
Look, listen, we're
I
beyond.
shouldn't have to.
Okay, I understand what you're saying,
We're past
but
that.
we're beyond that now. Okay, you need to take a deep breath. You need to calm yourself down.
Have some water.
We'll get you water if you calm down.
Okay, I'm waiting.
But you gotta calm down first.
Steve said I can come in here.
Okay,
I promise. They told me I could stay
I don't
the
know
night.
anything about this,
I
but
promise.
okay.
He told Reva. He told me that I can stay the night as long as Reva doesn't know.
Okay, listen. So You're gonna walk
So
down.
I shouldn't have to go to jail.
Listen.
If I touch you, stop us. I shouldn't be arrested. Please just let me go free.
They're going. Listen, that might have been the case before you started resisting arrest.
I
If
just
he
got
said come out here,
nervous. I was
but that was
sleeping.
your choice.
I was sleeping.
Then how do you get nervous when you're asleep? And how do you resist arrest when you're
Just
asleep?
cops make me people nervous. I don't know.
Okay.
I didn't want to get arrested.
You made a bad choice.
Steve told me I could stay here.
Listen, you made a bad choice.
To just stay the night, yes.
You made a bad choice in resisting the officers. Okay.
I wasn't resisting.
Okay. Well, that's not what they're saying. Okay. So that's what you're gonna. That's where you screwed up. You might have been able to not go to jail.
All
if
they
that
had
was
to
the
say
case.
is, I was just trying to talk to them and tell them that Steve said I could stay the night here.
Okay.
That is it.
Okay. I don't know anything about what's happening here other than you
I
resisted.
didn't resist. I
Okay.
was just trying to talk to them
Well,
first.
you were on the ground and you were kicking and you were
said,
dropping
"Put
your
my-
weight. I watched you
They said,
resist.
put your cigarette out, come here.
Okay.
And they put me to the floor.
Okay.
I mean, I tried to...
Okay.
They put me
Take a deep breath and we'll get you a drink of water, but you got to walk downstairs with them,
Let me
okay?
have the water first, please.
I don't even
No,
have
we're gonna
water.
go outside.
No, I can have a cup of
Come
water.
on, Jamie. We're going
I can have a
outside.
cup of water.
You said you weren't resisting, so listen to our commands and
Can I
walk
get out of
outside.
handcuffs?
No,
Why?
you can't. We're past that. We're
No,
going
Steve said
outside.
I could stay the night.
Jamie, we are
Wait,
going
hold on.
outside.
Hold on, let me talk
So
to-
either walk or we will carry you down those stairs.
Steve
So
said I
let's
could-
go.
Steve said I could stay the night. Steve said I could stay the night.
Heard her say.
Steve said I could stay the night.
Walk, Jamie.
Bring my
Jamie.
pants, please.
Do not make this more difficult, Jamie. Okay, you have to walk. Do you want us to adjust your pants? We'll do it when we get down
Reva,
there.
tell him, please don't let me put him in jail, Reva. Tell him I'm allowed here, please, Reva. Reva, please tell him I'm allowed here.
Jamie,
Wait, hold on.
walk.
You guys, my pants, wait. Reva, please tell him I'm allowed here. Reva,
Okay, your
please.
pants are up. We are walking. So walk.
Reva, please.
Jamie,
Tell him I'm allowed here.
walk.
One more minute.
No, walk.
Oh, Jamie.
Tell them. Steve, tell them.
Come on.
You left me here. You left me inside, Steve.
Jamie.
You left me inside.
Let's go, Jamie.
Wait, hold on. Let me talk to them.
No.
Wait.
Stop.
You promised me you let me talk.
Jamie, stop.
You
Take
pro-
a deep breath.
You promised me.
Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath.
You promised me you would let me talk to
Relax.
Steve.
Stop talking and take a deep breath.
But you can't arrest me for what I
Take
didn't
a deep breath.
do. You can't arrest
Calm
me
down.
for what I
Jamie,
didn't
you're
do.
already
Please.
Take a
arrested.
deep breath.
You can let
and
me
calm
out of
down.
handcuffs. You put me out of the handcuffs.
We're past that point, Jamie.
Oh no, tell them.
Wait a minute.
Wait. One more minute. One more minute.
No.
One more minute. One more minute. Wait. One more minute.
Come on, Jamie.
One more minute. One more minute, please.
Jamie.
One more minute. One more minute. Wait.
Stop, Jamie.
One more minute.
Jamie.
One more minute. One more minute.
Has she been searched?
No. Wait. One more minute.
Right.
One more minute.
Jamie.
One more minute. Steve! Oh gosh. Let me talk to you.
I'm gonna talk to you, but you gotta start acting like an adult.
Put me in the cop car. Yeah, I need a cigarette, please. A cup of water, please.
You're not cooperating with us. So if you can
You have
anything in
cooperate
your
with us, we'll
pockets?
work with you.
Okay, let me turn around and talk to you. Let me turn around to the car.
face. You're looking right at me, Jamie.
Please, let me
Face the car.
turn around and talk to you,
No,
please.
face the car.
Please.
Jamie, you got to calm down.
Okay. Wait, okay.
Whose car is this?
Yeah. Okay, will you calm down? I'll let you talk to me, but calm down.
Please let me turn around.
Jamie,
You can't be
face the
acting
car.
like-
He said I could talk.
Face the car.
He said I
Just-
could talk.
I'm looking at you. I'm looking
He
at you
said I
right now.
could talk.
He's right here. Talk
No,
to him
talk.
then.
Can you tell? Can we walk back?
No.
No.
You're not allowed there.
He
talked
lets
to
me
him.
in.
We talked to him already.
Listen,
You're
he
not
let
allowed
me
there.
inside. He said I could stay
That's
the
up for
night.
court to decide then.
No, that's not how it works. No, it's
Yes,
not.
Jamie, listen.
No, it's
He
not.
said that you can't be there.
So he let me inside. He let
No,
me
he
stay the
didn't.
night.
He
Yes.
said that he didn't.
Why is it up to him? Why is he? Why
It's
is
up
that?
to a
place.
court.
Why? Is
I'm
that
not saying you're guilty. We're saying that you're being charged.
That shouldn't be allowed if he let me inside.
All right.
You can't put somebody in jail for something he did. You can't.
Okay.
You can't.
That's what you. All right. Hold on.
Jamie, stop.
You can't.
Jamie,
You
you're gonna
can't.
end up getting yourself tased.
Wait.
Jamie,
Wait.
She has not been searched.
Wait. I haven't been searched.
Jamie?
I haven't been searched.
Calm down.
You gotta stop.
You're
gotta
making this so
search
much
me
harder
first.
than it needs to
Okay.
be.
You
Take
gotta
a
search
deep
me
breath.
first.
I'll hold her.
Yes, okay, hold on. Wait, just let me turn around and talk to you.
Don't need
Come on.
around.
Wait, hold on, I gotta tell you something. Wait, listen.
Keep her against the car.
Oh.
You're
not doing this to us, okay? You're not gonna force.
You're doing it to me.
No, you're resisting. Stop
Okay,
resisting.
okay.
There's like
Wait,
two
I have
pockets in the
wait,
front
listen.
pouch, and I don't see anything in the front
Wait,
pouch.
hold
What
on.
do you have?
Wait, I have. Wait! Let go of my hair!
No, Jamie, you gotta stay calm.
Jamie,
I don't feel
relax. Do you have something on you?
Yes, I need to tell you, yes.
Then
Let
tell
me-
us.
Where is it?
Let me turn around, I'll talk to you.
No, Jamie, we're
Where
past
is
this.
it and what is it?
In my
Jamie,
bra.
no.
In your bra. What is in your bra?
Wait, I'm gonna. Just let me show
Jamie,
you.
no.
Let me show you. It's in my
Jamie.
bra.
Listen, we're gonna set her on the ground.
Okay.
Okay, it's gonna get.
Need
It's
your arm
starting to
off
get
my
rough.
neck, please.
That's not on your neck, on your chin.
Okay.
You need to calm down.
Okay.
It's gonna get rough now.
Okay.
Things are gonna get bad.
Okay.
You need to calm down, Jamie.
I'm gonna show you something. Wait.
Where's it at?
Wait, I can show you.
Where is
No,
that?
tell us where it is.
I can't show you.
No, tell us where
You're
it
not
is.
getting your hands taken out of cuffs, Jamie.
You're not doing that.
Wait,
Past
hold
this
on.
point.
Jamie,
Can you-
what is in your bra?
Let me show you. Let go of me,
No,
please.
tell us.
No. What
Okay,
is in
what's
there?
it? We're gonna take her.
It's serious. It's
We're gonna end up
important.
taking her to the jail, and they're gonna have to find it. Cause
No,
okay,
I'll show
we're
you
not
right
gonna.
now. I'll show you right now. I'll
And
show
you're
you
gonna
right
get
now.
charged.
I'll show you right now.
What is it? Tell us what it is.
Okay, hold on. Can I put my pants up? Can I put my pants up?
What is it?
Can I put my pants up?
Hands are up, Jamie.
Okay, on this side. On this side,
Your
please.
right side.
Let me show
Jamie,
you.
what's
Let me show you something.
you have? We'll just
Turn
gonna
around.
take-
I'll show. Wait, I'll turn around. I'll show you.
No, just tell us.
I'll turn around. I'll show you.
Where's it at?
Please, I don't want to go too long.
Okay, too bad.
Well, I'm gonna show you right now.
We're
I'm
done
gonna
showing.
show you. I'm gonna show you.
No,
I'm gonna
Jamie.
show you. I'm
Jamie,
gonna
you're
show you. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Wait. Wait. Let me show you. Let me show you.
Hold on. I need a little bit more.
Let me show you. Let me show you.
Get this.
Got her.
Yeah, get this door shut here.
Please let me show you.
Josh, get this door shut. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Take her straight to the jail.
The woman was charged with criminal trespass and resisting arrest. She was found guilty in court and was sentenced to 3 months in jail. Do you think this is an appropriate sentence? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.